It's Christmas. Well, it might not be Christmas Day depending on when you're watching this video, but we're going to talk Christmas and we're going to talk turkey. Now, who hates having the hassle, the stress when you've got so many people in the kitchen's hot, there's steam everywhere, the oven's full, there's just so much going on. You just want to get outside and just de-stress. So why not give yourself a good excuse to get outside and de-stress by cooking the Christmas meat, the Christmas turkey outside on your barbecue. So I'm going to show you how we're going to keep it really simple, really stress-free. We're outside Christmas Day, having a beer, away from the hustle and bustle of the kitchen. What could be better? Now, I always say buy the best turkey that you can afford. Now, this is a beautiful turkey breast from Philip Warren Butchers and it just looks absolutely superb. It's been rolled and it's been tied for me. Now, like I said, I want to keep it simple. Christmas Day, as hectic as it is. So all we're going to do with this is going to put a bit of spray oil on there and a bit of rub. I've got this garlic butter rub here from Angus and Oink. So I'm going to put some of that on there and then we're just going to smoke it on my Kamado Joe Kettle Joe. Now, the Kettle Joe is the perfect all-rounder for barbecue, and I always say barbecue isn't just for summer, it's all year round. So what we've done with the Kamado Joe Kettle Joe is we've got some charcoal in the firebox. Now, the Kettle Joe has got a ceramic firebox, so it makes it great for heat retention, it makes it great for stabilising your temperatures. It is a great all-rounder of a barbecue. So I've loaded it with some charcoal. I've put a slow roller in place, which is going to enable the smoke to come up and around that meat, and we're going to lick it with a nice gentle bit of smoke. Got a little bit of apple in there for the smoke. And we've got our grill grates in place now. We've opened up the top vent and the bottom vent just to bring it up to temperature, and I'm going to be cooking this at about 200 degrees Celsius. So first thing we want to do then, like I said, simplicity, just get some oil on there. If you haven't got any spray oil, then just get some melted butter and just baste that over the skin and over the meat. So that's all we're going to do. Just a little coat like so, and then we take our rub. You can feel free to make your own rub, you know, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, peppercorns, anything you fancy putting on your turkey, feel free. Simple, easy, garlic butter rub, on it goes. These are the flavours you want on your turkey anyway, so let's do it. So we're going to get that all over, you want it all over the skin, and you want it all over the meat. How easy was that? Told you, simplicity, out here having a beer, rubbing our turkey. That's not a euphemism, rubbing my meat, but the turkey's ready with garlic butter rub on there. The Kamado Joe's ready, so I'm going to introduce this to a bit of smoke. Don't know how long it's going to take. We cook turkey to temperature, not to time. I'm going to take this. Turkey's going to be perfect at 70 degrees Celsius. I'm going to take this to about 67, 68 before we take it off, because it will carry on cooking while you're resting it, and you want to rest this for at least half an hour, up to an hour. So without further ado, let's just take it over to the Kettle Joe and introduce it to some fire. I know I always say it, but stress-free on Christmas Day. If you can, lads or ladies, and you want to sneak out and you just want 5 minutes away from the kitchen having a beverage, then what better way to do it than cook your Christmas dinner, cook your meat on your barbecue. Now, I've done this on my Kamado Joe Kettle Joe. It's held the temperature like a champ, like I knew it would, because of that ceramic firebox. This is cooked at about 190 to 200 degrees Celsius. I've taken it off, it's just hit 73, it's been resting, it's just hit 73 degrees Celsius. So without further ado, let's just take the string off, slice in and see how we've done. You can see how juicy that is. What excuses have you got? Don't neglect your barbecues over the winter. Don't neglect it at Christmas. You've got a whole oven sat outside waiting to be used. Free up all that oven space. I mean, we've cooked this outside. Think of all the real estate in your oven that we've saved by cooking this outside. So go out there, get your barbecues fired up, get your turkey on, get your beef on, whatever it is you're cooking, get yourself a beer and enjoy. Merry Christmas.